First up is Fslr, which established the endowed professorship in critical energy materials at Missouri University of Science and Technology, Missouri S&T. The move is aimed at supporting research and education to equip future professionals with skills and knowledge needed for the green energy transition. Fslr's endowment will enhance Missouri S&T's strategy to be a leader in critical minerals research by developing expertise on important points across the supply chain. Next, NNE rebranded its Pylon Transportable Reactor platform as Loki MMR. The portable nuclear reactor is designed for various applications, from remote terrestrial to space deployments, providing between 1.5 MWe and 5 MWe of power. The transportable nature of the Loki MMR ensures adaptability across diverse deployment scenarios, supporting scalability through interconnected systems. NNE plans to explore different applications for Loki MMR, particularly in space exploration efforts. Initial testing was initially anticipated to begin in 2026, but is currently under review, with a goal to advance the reactor's demonstration at the Dome facility by 2027. Also, NNE's CEO James Walker recently discusses the growing interest in nuclear energy, particularly among big tech companies looking to power AI initiatives. He highlights that consistent baseload power and high capacity factor are crucial for tech industries, making nuclear a suitable choice compared to other renewables like wind, solar, geothermal, or hydro. Walker also mentioned that investing in nuclear will lead to long-term growth as the Department of Energy reinvests money into building nuclear infrastructure and mass manufacturing fuel. Meanwhile, Plug Power experienced concerns following talk of President Donald Trump's potential tariff policies and their impact on Plug Power's business. Investors were also cautious about news of the company securing permission for its subsidiary to build up to 6 clean hydrogen facilities, as there are ongoing concerns about demand issues in hydrogen projects. Over in China, Pony AI has become the first company in China to receive approval for robo-truck platooning tests on cross-provincial highways connecting Beijing, Tianjin, and Hebei province. This allows Pony AI to operate robo-trucks in a 1+N platoon, with only the lead truck requiring a safety operator. The company plans to start platooning tests on the Beijing-Tianjin-Tanggu Expressway and aims to achieve full autonomy for all following trucks in platoons, further reducing logistics costs for autonomous trucking. Pony AI has completed over 500 TEUs of freight orders and traveled more than 5 million kilometers with its robo-trucks. As for Rivian, investors were cautious after President Donald Trump revoked several executive orders signed by his predecessor Joe Biden, including one on electric vehicles. Among other actions, Trump halted the distribution of the remaining $5 billion in funds for EV charging infrastructure and may remove the $7,500 federal tax credit available on some EV purchases. Despite Rivian's recent component shortage issues, it had received a loan commitment of up to $6.6 billion from the Department of Energy to build a factory in Georgia and formed a joint venture with long-standing partner Volkswagen, which will invest up to $5.6 billion in the electric vehicle maker. Contrastingly, President Trump's announcement to send American astronauts to Mars has led to significant gains for aerospace and rocket technology companies like Rklb and Redwire. The optimism is driven by the potential for increased government support and lucrative contracts in the space sector. While specific financial details and government contracts are yet to be announced, investor enthusiasm suggests confidence in the growth potential of the industry. Finally, over to finance, specifically fintech with Sofi, which experienced a rise due to several factors, including President Trump's lower regulation approach, potentially benefiting smaller banks like Sofi and the overall positive performance of online bank stocks. Recent events such as Sofi's $525 million personal loan securitization deal have also contributed to its momentum. If Sofi delivers stronger than expected fourth-quarter earnings, there could be further growth ahead. The company will also need to demonstrate continued profitability forecasts for 2025 and beyond, along with any potential new products or services. For more on Sofi and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.